this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run the Android application in the Android emulator. So in this case, you'll have to have your Android SDK up and running in your computer. So basically, you'll have to follow the instructions from the Android website. So you can just Google search for it, and you'll get this page where it says developer.android.com, and there is lengthy documentation on how to install Android, how to configure the components, and then how to set your class path and so on. So let's I assume that you have done this already, so I have installed my SDK here. This is a Linux machine, and so you'll see all commands in Linux, but you can just do the same in either platform or Windows or Mac. Okay, so the first thing to do is to go to tools, and you will see an executable called Android. So let's run Android, and then this Android virtual device or AVD manager pops up. Let's create a new AVD or Android virtual device. I'm going to call it MyTouch 3G, and you should select API level 4 or Android 1.6. I'm going to give a smaller number of megabytes for the SD card. It makes it faster, and leave all the others as default. So once you are done with this, you can just say create AVD, and it should give you a message saying that it got created. Now note the name here, MyTouch 3G, and this name is going to be important for us when we start. So now you can run the emulator executable in the same directory. So I'm going to say /emulator and then pass the name at MyTouch 3G, and since this is Linux and I want it to be a separate process, I'm going to attach an AND to the end. So now you should see this Android emulator popping up. Depending on the strength of your machine, the emulator takes either short or a long time to load. Usually it takes around 10-15 seconds to fully boot up. The emulator has its own keyboard and the buttons that you will see on the phone. Let's wait until the emulator boots up. Okay, now when the emulator is up and running, you should be able to use your mouse just like you use the touch interface. And so now when you see this screen, it means that you are fine. Let's download the APK file, and note the name. It's a recipe with a number. And how you install this is by using a tool called ADB. This tool is in the folder platform tools. So let me go to platform tools and run ADB. I run ADB with the command ADB install, and then give the full path to the APK file. The APK file that you get is signed, so it'll install on the device just without any problems. Okay, let's see. It says successfully installed. So let me go back to the emulator and check that out. So now if I open the applications tab, I see the new application there, and when I open it up, and here it is, this is the generated application we have. And let me see, let's go to show greetings and see what comes up. This is actually picking it up from the cloud storage we have. So we see the two greetings that we put in. Let me try to create another one. Let's say yet another greeting. And when I create this, okay, done. Let me go back to the show greetings page, and there you are, the greeting that we just created. So this is how you run your app in the Android emulator. Until next time, thank you.